You are going to go to Google Chrome, go ahead and open it up, and you're going to sign into your email. I'm fairly certain you know how to sign in. At this point, you're going to put at k12.smcps.org. Your password does have your 18. Feel free to stop this video or pause it at any point in time if it's going too fast. You should have a folder that's Edward's photos or your class teacher, Gibbons Scarborough or Amato. You will click on that, open it up, open the folder. Go back to your email tab, click it, hit back, open up your 5th grade promotion invitation. Open that up. Okay, so you should have two things open at this point in time. You should have the Google Drive with your class photos, and you should have your Google slide deck that I've invited you to. Please leave the font size, type, color, all of those things just as they are. Up here, you will be typing your name. And then you will put your favorite 5th grade memory, but it all has to fit in that box. Make sure it's all positive. Okay, you can center this if it doesn't quite fill up the box. All right, so to get your picture in here, go find your picture. And you're going to hit right click and then download. Go back to the slide, click your download, drag it right over, boom, there it is. If your picture does not fill up the sides of the box, you do not want to do what I'm doing right here because it distorts your photo. So leave it in the size that it was placed in there. And when you get this little line, it tells you that it's centered top to bottom. When you get that line, it tells you it's perfectly centered in the box, and that's really what you want. Okay, so there's the first one, and then you would also put your second photo in as well. If there are any questions, you're welcome to ask an elbow partner first, and then feel free to ask me.